Hello everybody, welcome back to the XRP Analysis YouTube channel. Today XRP is trading at a price of approximately 2.18 on the 24th June 2025. And today I'm going to teach you guys something new. What you see here on screen is a bull flag pattern. So how do we identify a bull flag pattern? Basically, it is characterized by a sharp increase in price action followed by a wedge pattern here, a falling wedge pattern. So a falling wedge pattern is a high over here, followed by a lower high, and then subsequently a whole even lower high. And by right, the low will be higher low. So higher lows and lower highs. So this forms a triangle. So if you can visualize, this is the triangle. For this wedge, by right, this should be a lower low than this low. So it forms an increasing low. So what you can imagine is it's like a spring, okay? So this triangle is like a spring coiled together for a breakout. So this kind of pattern usually indicates price undecisiveness or price uncertainty, but it is trading, the range of trading is getting closer and closer, which also indicates that uh, there is some huge movement incoming. And how do we know that it's bullish? Is because of the prior price bump. If the price pump from this level to this level over here, it's a high price increase. If this price increase is not sustainable, it will come crashing down very quickly. However, if it forms a falling wedge pattern, like I see over here, then it could mean that there's a high possibility of a extended uh, bull run. So there might be a next phase of bull run from here onwards going up. Okay, so the next level that you will run up will be 3.5 and above if it follows the classic bull flag pattern. After a bull flag pattern, you will have another bull flag, and the bull flag will exceed the higher highs of 3.39 over here. This is the all-time high for XRP, and it may go up to 3.5 and above. Okay, that is if it follows the classic bull flag style pattern. And for that to happen, we must first officially conclude the SEC lawsuit, followed by uh, macroeconomic conditions as well as improved geopolitical conditions. So all stars have to align before we see a major run-up. And right now, I'm just being patient. So over the weekend, while I was still in the mountains of Borneo, I kind of missed out the drop here, but as soon as I get back to civilization and have access to internet, I quickly buy some XRP yesterday at around $2 and 1.95, and it seems that that is a good move because right now XRP is already trading at 2.19, and there is a immediate 10% gain since the last buy order at around $2. So that was a good move, and that was also expected. I expected $2 to be a very strong support level, and it is a very good point to add. So if price returns to $2, I do not mind adding it again. Of course, whatever I share is not financial advice. Always exercise your own due diligence and research before engaging the markets. And with that, I'll end off today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.